Good morning, traders, and welcome to the daily call today, Friday, the 17th of February. Before we get started, as always, please understand that any advice in today's session is of a general nature only and that your personal circumstances have not been taken into consideration. All right, before I do get started, I just want to say that today the service will be paused and it will resume on the 9th of March. So just please note that, and then look, if you can't find it in between there, that is the reason why. All right, so let us kick off, and we'll start off with the Aussie dollar. Job numbers overnight beat expectations yet again, but beneath the surface of that news, it wasn't really that great, as most of those jobs were in what we call seasonally adjusted terms, and essentially the Aussie had a bit of a down day as we continue to push at that 77, 78 handle, which we haven't been able to get through for quite some time. So just keep an eye out on that one for the Aussie dollar. In New York, I guess in the US overnight, we did have positive data with building permits came in at 1.29 million, the manufacturing index at 43.3, unemployment claim pretty much on the forecast, but the dollar still weakened against most majors, and also not only did it just weaken, it posted one of the steepest one-day drops in the last 2 weeks. So why did that happen? Well, mainly it was due to lower US bond yields and a lot of uncertainty over the timing of the Fed Reserve's next interest rate increase. Okay, so we know that they want to do it, but now investors are saying, well, when's it going to happen and is it too priced in? So basically the US dollar has lost a little bit of strength against that. Finally, early this morning, we had in New Zealand, the retail sales number came in at 0.8, a little bit under the forecast, not much movement in the market, and most of the retail numbers were coming from the car industry, so the automotive sector on that one. All right, so let us have a look at the last chart of the week, chart of the day for this week, and the last one for a little while. Yesterday's chart was a rip-in trade, so for those of you who got it, CAD Swiss, it played out perfectly. Let's have a look at what we got today. Today, I am looking at the Aussie Yen 4-hour chart. Okay, so very, very obvious what I'm trying to point out to you. We can see that this section that I've marked in has acted in the past as resistance and the market's driven down. It's finally broken through and we are right now at this critical point again, and the question mark is, will it now act as support and will we push forward? Now I will say this, at the time of me taking this screenshot, this current candle is still not complete. I think I've got about another 30 minutes to go for this candle to complete. However, should it complete in exactly like it looks like right now, well then we are ready for something. Let me zoom in and I'll show you. Zooming in, if the current candle, this one here, completes as it is, well then it would create a nice inside candle for us, and then essentially the way we trade it is at the break on the next candle over here, wherever that one starts off, breaks through, and then we would trade it in this direction. Of course, if it breaks down, we cancel the order and then there is no trade to be had. Okay, so you just need to wait for the current candle. I believe it's probably going to be an inside candle, so that's why I've picked this chart, and that is the chart of the day today, Aussie Yen on a 4-hour. Okay, so what's happening in the last trading session of the week? It's a very, very quiet one. All we have tonight is at 8:30 my local time, which is Australian Eastern Standard Daylight Savings Time. We have retail sales from England, and that's pretty much all we have for this week. As always, guys, please feel free to contact us if you do have any questions. Follow me on Twitter at ChatFX for trade setups and breaking news. Don't forget, I will resume the service on the 8th of March. I'm taking a 2.5-week little break that is long overdue. But guys, I hope you'll have a fantastic trading day, and I will speak to you very, very shortly. Bye for now.